In this video, I'm going to talk about the Midjourney API and how it can benefit businesses of all sizes. The Midjourney API can be used to integrate with existing systems and applications, which can save businesses time and money. The Midjourney API can be used to synchronize the data between different systems and to transform the data into different formats. This can be useful for businesses that need to integrate data from multiple sources or that need to make their data more accessible to different users. The Midjourney API can be used to automate workflows, which can save businesses time and money. For example, the API can be used to automatically generate images, videos, or text based on specific criteria. The Midjourney API can be used to generate creative content. For example, the API can be used to generate images of new product designs or to create marketing material. The Midjourney API is scalable and secure, which makes it a good choice for businesses of all sizes. The API can be used to generate large amount of data without impacting performance, and it is protected by industry standard security measures.